Hi guys, today I will show you how to make a pass in Please Donate.
Well, there's a will, there's a way, kinda beautiful. And every night
Like
has
these
its
green
day
buttons.
so magical. And if there's love in this life, there's no obstacle that can't be defeated.
First, click the
For
three
every
click
tyrant to
Create.
tear for the vulnerable. In every loss, so the
Click the
bones
three
of a
lines.
miracle.
Click
For
Creations.
every dreamer, a dream we're unstoppable. With something
Click your experience.
to believe in.
Press three lines again. Scroll down until you see passes. Click Create Pass.
Wednesday, my empty arms were open.
Add a name and a
Thursday,
description.
Waiting for love, waiting for love. Thank the stars, it's Friday. I'm burning like a fire.
Click your pass.
Wild on Saturday.
Press
Guess
three
I won't be
lines.
coming to
Click Sales.
church on Sunday.
Enable sale.
I'll be
Type the price you
waiting
want.
for love, waiting for
Click Save
love
Changes.
to come around.
Go back to Please Donate. There is your pass. Subscribe for more.